Very good then. Let's get started, people, shall we? I am on time, of course. We Blood Elves pride ourselves on punctuality. Producer! Where's our producer? Ah, there you are. Yes, I realize we're running late. Okay, we will now begin auditions for World of Warcraft, 'Twas the Night Before Winter Veil. Now, who's first? Very good then, bring in the ogre. Excellent. Ready and rolling.
Was the night before Winter Veil. Hey, this my audition. You always
Thank
go.
you.
Me go. Me
Thank
go.
you. Thank you. Who's next? There's a female here? No, but it's a male part. A succubus, Okay, well, fine. Why don't we give it a whirl? Ready and go. Fabulous. You're hired. No, we cannot use her for this, but I'm certain we can find something for her to do.
Sir, the Infernal called. He's running late.
Oh, I'll alert the Nomagon News. Next. Oh, a troll. How delightful.
I eat babies.
Oh, how proud your parents must be. Next.
Hello, I am a Styrian stom-wisperer, and I am a classically trained actor.
Yes, 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 I can see that he's a night elf. What do you mean, do we have any humans auditioning? How positively retail. No, humans are tedious. Proceed, Mr. Star-Whisper.
'Twas the night before Winter Veil, and all through the pub.
Superb! You, sir, are exactly what we need. Now, if you could jump...
Sir, the Infernal's here.
Yes, I noticed. So much for Mr. Star-Whisper. Who's next? What is... Oh, Lord Illidan. I did not know you would be joining us today. Can we get you some water, sir? Coffee, perhaps? No? By all means, go on in. If someone could kind of guide him, maybe if he had a seeing-eye fellhound or something. There, perfect. Well then, let's...
You are not prepared.
Oh, does he not have the script?
You are not prepared.
Actually, I believe we are prepared. If we could just...
You are not prepared.
Perhaps we should contact the tech department, just to be thorough. Yeah, what do you want? I would like to ensure that the equipment is working properly. Yeah, looks good! Fabulous! Lord Illidan, the tech department assures me that the equipment...
You are not prepared.
He's not really getting this, is he? Yes, good idea. Fantastic job, Your Excellence. We will definitely be in contact with you. Oh, that's quite a wingspan. Even when they're folded, they're really quite gigantic and, ooh. Now, who's next? Ah, a fellow blood elf,
Hello, everyone.
By the sun, he's gorgeous. This will not do.
Oh, where did you get that shirt?
Well,
Not you. Her.
How charming.
'Twas the night before
Call the Infernal
Winter.
Much better. Next. Oh, a Tauren. Fantastic.
Hello. Hey, how's everybody doing tonight? Where you from? Good to see you.
One moment. The caterer just arrived. Let's see. We have hamburger.
Hamburger?
Oh, and sushi. Well, then don't eat it. Now, let's see. Beau, is it? Bovine? Oh, how original. Go ahead.
So, hey guys, how's everyone doing? Sorry I'm late, but it was a long drive. Cattle drive, that is.
That's not what we're looking for.
Now, let's see if I can rustle up a script.
Oh, please spare us.
If not, I won't stew about it.
Enough! This is not amateur hour at the dairy farm.
I just want to make people laugh. Is that such a crime?
Oh, go hug a tree ant. Next.
What do you mean your cousin's band is in from Stranglethorn? I don't remember seeing that on the schedule. Yes, of course, you're in charge. Very well then, tell them to hurry. They need to tune up? Oh, joy.
Cue the Infernal.
I know, it's terrible. But sometimes bad things happen to good Murlocs. Let's move on. We have a tree ant next, eh?
Well, give it a shot. Rolling. Ready when you are. Anytime now. How about speeding it up a bit? Perhaps 10 times that speed, and we should be making progress. At this rate, we should be finished in time for the next sundering. That'll be all, thank you. Who's next? Oh, a dwarf. This should be interesting. Okay then, Mr. McFrothbeard. Proceed.
Looks like he took a long winter's nap. Well, that was the last one, and I'm afraid we don't have any real standouts. That's a fantastic idea. We'll use everyone.
'Twas the night before Wintervale, and all through the pub
Not a creature was stirring, not even Jub-Jub.
The dwarves all slumbered by the fireplace with care, in hopes that more ale would soon be there.
When out on the lawn there arose such a blast, they jumped up and ran out faster than fast.
And what to their besotted eyes should appear but Great Father Winter, a sleigh, and Metzen, the reindeer.
The old man winked, then was off like a flash, and to the dwarf's delight, he left a case of sour mash.
And they heard him exclaim, ere he flew out of sight, Happy Winter's Veil to all, and to all a good night!